Okay, kindergartners, it looks like the timer's done. Let's see. Yep, all done. So, I'm wearing a glove just because I don't want my finger to smell like all of this. But if you're gonna do this at home, then you can do it and just maybe use a fork or something like that. What I did too is I got a piece of paper towel and I ripped it up because I'm gonna wipe off the pennies. So that way they're all clean, hopefully. We'll see what happens. See which one's the cleanest, okay? See you in a minute. Okay, so here's my 4 pieces of paper towels that we're gonna use to wipe off the pennies and see which one's the cleanest. So, the first one I'm gonna do is the Coca-Cola, because that's the one that I thought was gonna work. So we're gonna take out the penny, throw it on here. Let's see. Nope. I guess I was wrong. It looks the same. I don't see any difference. It might be a little bit shinier, but it looks the same. So now let's look at the soap and water one. Nope. That one looks the same too. I don't know if any of these worked. Okay, so let's try the mustard. I think I'm gonna need another. Well, actually, we can just dip that in the water maybe and clean it off. Just a smidge. Might need another paper towel though. Let's see, what about this guy? Ooh, that one's a little bit cleaner. It's not as dirty as it was before. Looks a little cleaner. Okay. I see you, mustard. Might actually clean things. Okay. And our last one, which I really don't know about, is the ketchup. You think the ketchup worked? Where is the penny? Rinse it off in the water. Let's see. Do you think the ketchup worked? Can one of these at least work? The ketchup worked. Can you see how it's kind of shiny? I wonder what would happen if we had left it in there longer. See how it's a little bit more shiny? It's not as dark as it was in the beginning. So the ketchup actually worked. Huh. And I don't know if that's ketchup or dirt on there. Might be ketchup. So were you right in your guess? Or were you wrong like I was? It's okay if you're wrong. Sometimes people are wrong. But this penny looks very pretty. I might actually use it now. Compared to the other ones. The Coke. Whoa, you're running away. Soap and water. The mustard. And the ketchup. Bye, kindergarten class. Thank you for doing that little experiment with me. I might go use some ketchup to clean more things and see what happens. See you later, kids. Bye.